on how I broke up with my phone by hiking a mountain every day, almost.
Except you don't really need to hike a mountain. Let me show you how this works.
Step 1. Develop a shameful relationship with your phone so bad that you can't even human anymore. Step 2. Recognize that it's time to make a drastic change to kill this addiction before it kills you. Step 3. Get a physical device to block distractive apps on your phone by scanning the thing in real life. Step 4. Stash the device somewhere far enough that you'll only go once a day, max. I personally chose to stash it at the top of a mountain for the dramatic effect, but it could be hidden somewhere along your daily walk, under a park bench, behind a street sign, or wherever you want.
However, at all costs, make sure it's far away from home and a little hard to get to. Step 5.
Enjoy your free time and do pre-internet stuff like memorizing your friends' phone numbers, reading a book, puzzling, catch up with friends. The world's your oyster. And just like that, you've claimed your boredom back, having freed up so much time each day. And now you don't know what to do with yourself. Enjoy while it lasts. And these are my famous last words